This is the last problem I'm going to do for 6-1 graphing systems of equations. The problem is x minus 2y equals 4, and the second equation is x minus 2y equals negative 2. So you have to see what they look like. So the first thing that I'm going to do is put the first equation that they give me in slope-intercept, which is y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to rewrite it first. It's x minus 2y equals 4. So I need to get the y by itself. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides. And that'll give me negative 2y equals negative x plus 4. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 2, again to isolate the y. And when I do that, I get y equals, this would be positive 1 over 2 x, and then 4 divided by negative 2 is a negative 2. So first I'm going to graph that on my graph. So my y-intercept is at negative 2, and then I go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. And I can keep doing that until I feel pretty confident about what it's going to look like. So if I go up 1 over 2, that would be right there. I'm sorry, up 1 over 2. Okay, so my line looks like this. All right, then for the second equation, I'm going to work that one out. So I've got x minus 2y equals negative 2. Now, some of you may see how this is going to work out, but if you don't, that's okay. Let's just keep going, putting this in slope-intercept. So I subtract the x from both sides. I've got negative 2y equals negative x minus 2. I'm going to divide both sides by a negative 2. When I do, I get y equals negative divided by negative is a positive 1/2 x, and then negative 2 divided by negative 2 is a positive 1. So I'm going to graph that real quick. So my y-intercept is positive 1, and then my slope is 1/2. So I'll go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. What do you see about that? It looks like this. What you should notice is that they're parallel lines. So do parallel lines ever touch? No, they don't. So if our solution is where the two lines intersect, if they never intersect, you're not going to have a solution. So the answer is no solution. And so if I was classifying this as a system of equations, I would say it's inconsistent. I'm having problems with this pen. I think the battery is going out. There we go. So it's no solution. Whoa. It's no solution, and it's an inconsistent system of equations.